Hello and welcome to the MStar training session on how to enter relative details of an applicant in the school. Before you start this activity, please ensure that the applicant details have been entered in the applicant personal details. Let us see the steps to capture the relative details of an applicant. Click on the MStar button and select the module admission. The module name admission appears on the main screen, indicating that you are now working in the admission module. Click on the button activities and select the screen applicant relative in school. As the screen opens, select the academic year. Select session in which the applicant was registered. Click on the view button and a new window registered student opens. It displays the list of all the applicants that we have just registered in the selected session. Click on the name of the applicant or enter the name of the applicant in the box provided below student name. Click on the name of the applicant and the details of the applicant appears on the main screen. In the section Relatives in School, click on the box next to the relative and select a relative type. Based on the relative type that we select in this field, the next field, class or department will show either the class sections or the department. If we have selected student, the next field will show the class and sections. Whereas if we have selected relative type as teacher or non-teacher, then the field class or department shows the department name. Once we have selected the department or the class section based on the relative type, next we have to choose the name of the relative. If we have selected student as the relative type, then we notice that this field becomes as a student identifier. Whereas if we have selected the relative type as teacher or non-teacher, the screen shows us the teacher or the non-teacher name. So, selecting the relative type as teacher, selecting the department as administration and selecting a teacher name. The names of the teacher or the non-teacher or the students displaying in this field would depend upon the class or the department that you have selected in this field. After we have selected the relative type, the class or the department, the name of the teacher or the student, select the relationship type. Click on Add button. Repeat the steps if you want to maintain multiple relative details for the same applicant. For example, let us now see how to enter the student relative. Select student as a relative type. The next field will show us the names of the class and sections. Select a class section and in the next field student identifier, select the name of the students. In this, the name of the students are appearing for class 3A only. Select the relationship type and click on button Add. Click on button Save to save the details of the relatives. The data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK on the confirmation message. Click Clear button to clear the screen. It is now important for us to check whether what we have entered has been saved correctly. For that, click on the View button and the window Registered Student opens. Select the student for which you want to check the details and the details as entered for the student and its relatives appear on the main screen. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen and repeat the steps for other applicants also. We have just added the relative details of an applicant. Now that we have saved the relative details of an applicant, let us see how to view and delete the saved relative details. For the same, select the academic year, select session in which the applicant was registered, click on the View button and the window Registered Students open. Click on the name of the applicant for which you would like to delete the relative details. The details of the student as well as the relative appear on the main screen. Click on the row of the relative which you want to delete and click on the button Delete. Click Yes on the data deletion confirmation message. On doing so, the row of the relative that we have just selected becomes highlighted in a different color. Click on button Save. The data saving confirmation message is received. Click OK and the relative row disappears from the grid, indicating the deletion of the relative details of the applicant. Click on the Clear button to clear the screen. Repeat these steps to delete relative details of other applicant. It is important for you to know that the applicant relative details in the school as entered in the screen also becomes available in the screen student relative details at the time of admitting the child. Thank you for watching this video.